What's going on, Mud family? You already know. Yeah, this is your boy, Fresh Gentleman 3. I'm back with the live and the latest. You already know how this finna go. I just dropped the new headlights on the actual 2022 Polaris HIGHLIFTER. Yeah, I didn't like the bulbs that I actually put on there at first because they didn't brighten up as much as I like them to be brightened. So that means I had to take off them things. I didn't like them. But the install, it came together and it's complete. I'ma tell you, I couldn't look at this bike no other way because it's been phenomenal. This build really has captured the moments, whether I'm in the mud park, whether I'm in the neighborhood, whether I'm just joyriding. I'ma tell you, everybody stopping and asking me about this bike. The dealerships, they call it. They trying to see, everybody trying to see what the Fresh Gentleman 3 put on this bike that everybody actually looking at. I'ma do an all-way walk-around video, but it ain't gonna be this one right here. This one is about the headlight. And I ain't gonna hold you up no longer because I've been gone for a while. So I'm out.